ZNTK, Radom Limited, Railway Rolling Stock Repair Plant, was founded in 1887. Starting from the foundation time, our main goal is to develop and modernize the technical level of our products, which are mainly aimed for the railway industry. Our company specializes in the production of fittings for railway brake systems. Our mission is to provide the highest quality solutions used in the construction and maintenance of railway rolling stock. We offer products and spare parts for railways like braking, greasing and heating fittings, spare parts for passenger and freight wagons, spare parts for locomotives,